In this mind of mine, I took some time to find more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb on I refuse to let heathen drain the energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades pleading. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weakened. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it! I ignore their speaking, their fiction is sickeningly misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent, I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like, it's my choice. I am greater than you thought. Tell them precisely. The fight continues, and there are more others just like me. Tell them precisely.